So question number 13 is talking about interference beta. So because initial sources are same, we can say initial phase difference each time is 0, and beta they want the smallest possible value for L for detector to detect maxima, right? So maximum amplitude will come when delta x is equal to 0 or lambda, right? Here 0 is quite difficult, so it will be either 0 or lambda. 0 in most of the cases will be very difficult, and lambda they have given 0.929 meter. Let's talk about first option beta. In first option, this is L and this is 0.5 L, so this length is actually pi r, that is L by 2, right? So what is the part difference here? Part difference is again this 2 pi by 2 is more than 1, right? So we'll get pi by 2 L minus L, which is again pi by 2 minus 1 into L. When I put delta x is equal to lambda beta, I will get L is equal to lambda upon pi by 2 minus 1. Lambda is 0.29. Pi by 2 will have to take, because they have not mentioned anything, will take 3.14 by 2 minus 1, which will give us 0.21, sorry, 1. What is this, 57, right, minus 1, which will yield 0.29 divided by 0.57 meter. If I simplify this, I will get 0.2508 meter, which will give us 0.51, which is third option. So P third we got in option C and option D. Fine. Then let's talk about option Q. So option Q, I am removing this. I have no space, so I will solve it again here. So if I talk about option Q, then this length is L, this length is 0.5 L, this length is 1 L, this is 0.5 L. So this length, if I take the part difference here, one length is like 0.5 L, 0.5, this is 2 L, and this is L. So part difference here is coming out to be L. So L will be equal to again 0.29. That is option 4. So Q4, okay, Q4. This is a blunder. We should have not solved this, because anyway it doesn't matter, because in both the option Q was 4 only. Fine. Then again let's move forward. Let's talk about R option. R option will yield us the answer, because R is the only difference between third option and fourth option, right? So this length is L, the source is coming, this length is L, this length is L, and from here it is coming like this. So this length is anyway same, so difference of the length will be this much. So this length is root 2 L, it means this length is L by root 2, and this length will be pi r, which is pi into L by root 2. So this is the difference, and pi by root 2 L should be equal to lambda, that is 0.29. So let's calculate the L value. 0.29 into root 2 divided by pi, this is 3.14. Calculate it. So this is coming out to 0.13 meter, which is of course fifth option. So fifth option, so answer will be D. Now if you want to check the S option also, you are free to check. Let me check it for you. So this length is L, just calculate this length and solve it beta. It's not a big deal. It is a relatively easy question.